if you bought iPhone for the first time and you want the top 5 essential apps, here's a step-by-step guide to basically figure out. First of all, the Spark app. Spark app is an AI email manager that allows you to generate responses all the way to generate emails and basically correct your grammar if there is any mistakes. Next, Notion AI. Okay, and Notion AI is perfect for college students or university students or even employee or employers to generate a template for their projects, tasks, notes, and many more. Next, One Password or the One Password app. That basically it's a password manager app that allows you to generate and also save the most important passwords for different platforms if you leverage that app. Okay, and there is no way you're gonna forget your password if you use the One Password. Obviously that leads me to my next point, which is Google Maps. You don't want to be lost on in the middle of nowhere with nothing to help you get to your place, right? Google Maps still better than any GPS app on your phone, and you need that app if the time basically in difficult times. And obviously, Chat GPT, which is an AI app or assistant, if you want to call it, to help you generate scripts, chat with AI to help you all the way to help give you a basically medical advice on different things like, is this thing helpful, is this thing healthy, is that food or this or that, so you can get answers and be creative to respond with different emails all the way to generate a script or even a proposal for our client if you're a freelancer like myself. ChatGPT is the perfect assistant on the go. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Do not forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next time.